Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mukbang and story time. Let's see if I could think of a story. I'm going to be basically eating. But today I have fried shrimp po' boy. And I got the woo woo. But yeah. So, I guess I can get into my crab legs. What should I talk about? I don't even know what to talk about. Talk about how good this gonna be. But yeah. I'm just trying to get my business together. Do networking. But yeah, I'm just trying to do my own thing because I can't work for nobody. Especially when you know you got the talent. Different talents. I don't want to be working for nobody. Making them money. You be making your own business money. So that's what I'm going to do. I got 3 kids. I ain't got time. Yeah. I ain't got time to be playing. I need my money so me and my family could travel. Take my kids back to Jamaica. Well, London back to Jamaica. I ain't have Kingston. I got pregnant with Kingston in Jamaica. Oh yeah, we finna be traveling. Fuck that. Can't be in one spot all the time. Woo. Let my kids experience different cities, countries, states, all of that. I can't wait to start traveling again. So fun to eat different food. And I tell you, this is po' boys. If you're in Charlotte, North Carolina, they are located on Freedom Drive, right next to Community Thrift Store. I ain't had no crab legs since I was pregnant. Surprised my sons ain't came downstairs. They don't know I got crab legs. And if they did, they would have been there. And shrimp, London loves shrimp. And they both love crab legs. Hopefully they stay upstairs watching their movie, eating their food. While I stay down here and enjoy my crab legs. I doubt it though. But you have to come see what Mama doing. But yeah. Trying to get my biz off the ground. I'm doing a pop-up shop next month. So hopefully I get some good network there. Shit got a towel. I'm making a mess. Fuck it. That shit good. You know, I should have put this in a damn ponytail. Jan Rover was 12 when she was first kidnapped by her trusted next-door neighbor, Robert Bridgetold, who masterfully manipulated her parents. I told you I was going to try to find something to talk about, but I knew my main thing was going to be eating. Because I've been waiting all day. All day. You don't have an uncle or somebody in your family that you know, it's not different. See, that's what I'm saying. It's not different. That's what people want to believe, that this is different. It is not different. This is the person that you trust most, who's become like your second father. Oh my gosh. Because I think one of the I eat crab legs every day. For me as well was the revelation that your mother, your father, and you. Yes, sir. People just be capping about this crab leg thing lately. Like they really do this, but no. I really do this. Like, me and my family been eating crab legs. Been doing this. Like, since I was a little girl. Man, I'm sorry. But that's it. Right here? Oh my goodness. Now I got them cooked in Old Bay. Look at all this seasoning. Ooh. But yeah. Your coworkers told me you haven't done your taxes. I just want to say, you can call TurboTax Live CPA for help. They'll help you get your refund and get back to your life. Can you really do that for me? Yeah, I can. It's literally my job. Thanks, guys. So there's no snap I had wiped my hands off and still didn't put my hair in a ponytail.
TurboTax Live. Now it's CPAs on demand.
That's some.
Private luxury in the all-new 2019 Cadillac XT4. This is a luxury SUV like no other, starting at $34,451, and it's everything you expected a Cadillac. Cadillac XT4 starting at just $34,451 at Rainy Marion Cadillac in Morrisville. Jessica for Toyota North.
I'm making a mess.
We want to help you get out of your
I really should have sat on the floor. Making a mess everywhere. Got me a towel and set my ass on the floor. But oh my God, y'all. I swear. I'm sorry. I'm not paying attention. Or talking. Oh. These fresh too. Ooh. They so good. I be forgetting to dip them in butter. Boy. Gotta eat the other part of my po' boy.
Temperatures to move in as the rain is blowing on. We're going to be mapping out the threat of frost, where it could develop, and when.
Yeah.
Tonight on Eyewitness News. Right now at Belk, we invite you to share the bold, share the vibe, share the flirty. Shop this season's hottest new trends during our anniversary sale. Now at Belk. It's the Rooms to Go 28th anniversary sale. And if you ever dreamed of owning a Tempur-Pedic mattress, now's the time. Get an incredible night's sleep for as low as $25 a month.
They wrong for that. They gave me one butter.
Right now, you can bring home the unmatched comfort of a Tempur-Pedic mattress with
With 4 clusters of crab legs.
and payments starting at just $25 a month. Interest-free for 88 months. Hurry in. The Rooms to Go 28th anniversary sale is going on now. 5-hour tea with caffeine from green tea leaves. It's delicious, energizing, and comes in 3 amazing flavors. With 0 sugar and 4 calories, it fits your life.
Uh-oh. Kingston. I'm back. Had to go feed Mr. Seven. Put my hand in a ponytail. So now I can knock the rest of these babies out.
I see what you're doing, Jessica. You want me to see that retirement has made Richard stupid. Well, guess what? Retirement isn't stupid, and neither is Richard. Case closed. Oh, sorry, did you hear that? Must have been out of your blood. Oh, what a productive way to spend your retirement. Jessica and I were just starting to think about that stuff. I'd love to pick your brain. Well, why don't we leave the ladies to the Mary King? Go to my place. I can show you my training room. I built it myself when I retired. Oh, you hear that, Jessica? Since Richard is retired, he has time to build himself a home gym. I'd love to see it. Fire up a lap pole. Great. But actually, it's not a home gym. It's a room for my mom.
I keep forgetting I got butter.
Watch it go through the tunnels. Every time.
It's so good.
But then it's
You don't give a damn about no butter.
Thanks again for letting me watch your HBO. Are you kidding?
Ooh.
Introducing me to this fantastic look at the lives and loves of these crazy sexless city
Dropped
girls.
in my eye.
Honestly, I don't know why they like this show. All they do is eat brunch, walk brunch, or miss a brunch. Feels like a lot of brunches. Well, I know what I like about this show. It's right there in the title. The city.
Boy.
I've never seen anything else so vibrant. The food, the camps,
I can see how people
possibility of a fish.
be doing these things.
I can see why these girls date so much.
Especially with crab legs.
Love it in my city.
Trying to be all neat and cute. Shit.
Hey, I thought you were sleeping. I was
All right, I'm headed up to orientation. I hope everyone came prepared because I don't know no pencils.
So I got left. About to fuck it up. Fuck it up.
This gate's class coach. Where is Mr. Jordan? He did it again. Girlfriend is Debbie Jones. We found one to death. He killed 8 years ago.
I just be laughing at shit going on around me though. I'm trying to start a conversation because shit just good. You know, we want to talk.
Ask your dermatologist about Humira. This is my body approved.
I am in charge.
Wish they had some crawfish. I've been having a taste for crawfish.
How did you get in here anyway?
The cat's lab.
Makes sense.
Relax. With a real ginger taste.
As long as I got my crab legs, I'm good.
Complicated. Kind of like this. Tax reform of H&R Block.
Hey, okay.
Much better. No one does tax reform better than Block. In person or online, Block has your back.
Breathe in. You're home. This uplifting Santa's biscuit feels good. The powerful crunch of Clorox Ventiva. Howdy, folks. Try my $20 fill-up. You have 10 seconds to comply. You now have 5 seconds to comply. 4, 3, 2. Try a $20 fill-up. Okay.
Look at us, two relaxed retirees. Don't you feel free?
No, I feel like I'm being kidnapped.
7 know I'm eating. He would just not let me live.
Your turn. Show me what you think retirement will be like with Richard. Now it's my turn. I spent 2 hours in that train room. It's still here to choo-choo.
Okay, fine.
Definitely know I'm eating.
What is this place? Are we in a bar?
I ain't had a drink.
This is just an example. The pier at Rancho Contento will be much better. And we won't hear the screams from the Pearson kiosk.
I don't even worry about a drink. Ooh. It's so good.
After a lifetime of hard work, he's allowed a burrito now.
You know what I remember from fishing with my uncle? He said
That
when the
one.
sharks stop moving, it dies. Fish sharks? Well, dead.
Oh, come on. They're still vibrant, curious people.
I used to think crazy stuff about this part when I was little. But as I got older, I found out that it has. It really do got a lot of meat in it. Fuck it. Just take it, dip it in my butter.
But it's a little fancy for Dance Dance Revolution. And maybe you should change. About that. Before I drive up, I need a teeny tiny favor. After watching Sex and the City, I realized, duh, what better way to show Tina I'm broadening my horizons than by sweeping her off her feet and taking her to the most romantic city in the world.
Bust down
Pensacola.
the crab legs.
New York City, but since I obviously can't afford that, I'm gonna create a brunch date at a cool NYC restaurant right here. With third house, of course. Sweet idea, Eddie. You can have little brunches, toss in the car. No, it's way more fun than an arcade. I've tried to bring it back for weeks. Okay, so are we the cook? Or are you really weird? Okay? You'll be the boss to play sax for us as we exit the restaurant. I can't believe I'm here. I know. In what universe might not be possible?
Oh my God.
12 of us. No, he needs Eddie promised to take us to the arcade. And now he's trying to get us to some lame get Tina.
Kinda do. I'm glad I didn't get him earlier. Cause at this, I'm ready to let in. Put my boys in the shower. Put 7 in the tub. Get my ass in the shower.
You're supposed to say
And lay down.
Anyway, the wine I make at Rancho Contento will be better.
Maybe. Or maybe we'll be so done for being retired and never know if it's good anymore. I didn't realize I was on stage at the charcoal factory. Sorry. It's just we used to think the same thing about retirement. I was sure I was slicker and stupid.
I thought if I stopped moving, I would die.
You two are retired? But you seem so not dead.
Active. She needs active.
Oh, we are. I'm building my own library at home. Even got a microfiche. And Ken here plans all our trips.
I was a financial advisor for 20 years, and Linda was an attorney, so we were always too busy to travel. But now, tried to make limoncello instead. Homemade wine is only sitting in the bathtub. Not a great antidepressant.
Don't tell Becca I was stupid.
I don't talk to that kid unless I have to. Monday, drunk Emery was eaten by a great white shark. Tuesday, drunk Emery fell off a cliff. Wednesday, drunk Emery was attacked by a swarm of killer bees. I was laughing. I died all these bees. Does Evan want to kill me?
Mother leg.
Oh, sorry. But it's funny when you picture beard on the bees. Funny.
I would be done.
I'd like to cut up Miranda's chip. How about you?
Sorry, I just can't believe my friends. I had the perfect plan to get Tina back and they wouldn't help me. How could you support me when Carrie supports her?
These gals will do anything for Carrie.
Exactly. You think Miranda will leave Carrie in the worst to go to some dumb arcade? Hell no. Miranda's ride or die.
Yeah, they all want for each other. Look, Eddie, you know, the more I watch the show, the more I see it's not about sex or brunch or even New York City. It's about these four friends.
I guess so.
Whoever that is, they're always going to be there for each other.
I hope y'all enjoyed watching me eat these crab legs as much as I enjoy eating them.
Break out of a Thai prison.
But now starting my boys ready for bed.
Well, the cattleman suggestion box was full of barbecue sauce again.
I already hit 7 whining. It's like my kids know when it's time to get in the shower. Right? My kids don't go for that. You can't put them in the bed without putting them in the tub first. And when they had spent the night at my sister's house, she was like, my son said, see, my mama don't do that. She puts them in the tub first. You know when he know his aunt know what she doing. But she is that age, they don't even think about that. Okay, I get in the bed. They don't think about, oh, I need to get in the shower. That's what I tell my boys, and I teach them. When you at somebody else's house, I don't care what they doing, what they not doing. You wake up, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, and you take a shower. Because some parents don't force that. Especially on the weekend. No, baby. My kids take a shower every night. Including the weekends. Don't matter. I don't even care if we sit in the house all day. They will get in the shower at night. No. So, y'all, we have come to an end. Hopefully next time I have something to talk about. I ain't never got shit to talk about. This is my endings. It was so good. I don't feel like doing shit. Man. Too bad Brandon can't eat this shit no more. I tell you. This shit is too good. Eat the other half of that po' boy sandwich. I'm gonna have to save that for later. I was looking for this rubber band for my head. But yeah. Yeah. Thank y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see me do any kind of other videos, let me know. I might start doing pranks. I don't know. I'm trying to get into the little YouTube thing, but I might start doing stuff. A little challenges and stuff. You know how they do. But yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. And I will see y'all later.